So today I'm going to a new place. There's a nice place called Burnham Beeches. So Burnham Beeches is basically a biological site. It's a big jungle. This place is also used in many movies like Robin Hood, and I believe a Harry Potter movie was also shot here. And there are a lot of trees that are really old, like ancient trees, and they keep on pruning the branches. So basically, if you look at those trees, the trees are really short. So let us go to Burnham Beeches today. Today I just went to Wickes. Wickes is basically a place where you can find stuff to build your house. So in UK there is a concept of DIY. A lot of people do this DIY. So basically doing some construction work on their own. So I went there because one of my friend is building a room in his attic. So attic is basically if you're living in a house, your house will have this hut shape. So this area, like if you talk about on top area, like this triangle on top, there is an empty space, and usually people keep their use this space for storage. So he's actually building a room there, and he wanted to basically buy some sheets that he can paste on the walls on the interior. गाड़ी में दिक्कत ये कि लंबाई की तो दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन खुले अंदर घुसेगा कैसे? इतना तो नहीं आता है। घुसेगा। इसको हमको ये बोर्ड करना है, ये चीज। ओह ओके। ठीक है। तो ये ढूंढ रहे थे हम बेसिकली। अब मुझे समझ में आया। इसको कवर करना है। ताकि थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगे। स्टेयर्स हैं आपकी। यूजुअली सीढ़ी हमेशा ऐसे चढ़ती है। जैसे मेरे को जितना चढ़ना है उतना करोगे। ओके। समझ गया। ज़्यादा स्टीप होगा तो आप चढ़ नहीं पाओगे। So I'm thinking of painting this and also these two shirts. I keep this mower here. So I'm actually now excited after seeing my friend doing a DIY. So I'll get some paint from Poundland and I'll paint the door and my two sheds.